Good day, students. Now we are going to start with module 1. Then under module 1, we'll do subheading 1.5 algebraic fractions. The reason why we start with this subheading is because we want to be able to answer question number 1 of the exemplar question paper that I have sent to the students via WhatsApp. Starting with rule number 1, rule of fractions, it says you are given A over B plus C over B. Okay, what do you notice? The denominators are the same. So we've got the common denominator, because in order for us to add A over B plus C over B, their denominators must be the same. Then the question is, are the denominators the same with this expression or with these fractions? The answer is yes. So what is the common denominator? Is B. So our common denominator is B. Then what do? We just add the numerators A plus C. Okay. So the denominator is B, and then we just add A plus C. So this is our final answer. Coming now to the second fraction. The second fraction that has been given is A over B plus C over D. So we can see here the denominators are not the same. Then we can add A plus C if the denominators are not the same. How to make the denominators the same? We've got two methods, but we can use this simplest method, whereby we multiply B by D. So B times D. It gives you the denominator BD. And then we cross multiply this A by D, and then we've got AD plus this plus sign. B times C, it gives us BC. So that is your answer. Okay, that is your final answer. So you must just apply this short method. Otherwise, there is another method. Okay. Coming now to the rules of fractions when we are multiplying fractions. What happens when we are multiplying fractions? So you're gonna just multiply the numerator by numerator. So what is A times C is AC, divided by what is B times D is BD. So this is your final answer. Okay. Now coming now to the division of fractions. What if you are given A over B divided by C over D? What happens? So you can rewrite this fraction in this form. It's A over B divided by C over D. So the opposite sign of a division, it's multiply. So what will happen if we change this division to a multiplication to make things easier for us? We're going to say A over B, then we change this division to be a multiply. So if this division changed to be a multiply, what happens to C and D? It's gonna invert. The D goes to the top and then the C goes to the bottom. So we call this method invert and multiply. This is this method. Okay, make it clear. Invert and multiply. Okay, then we can now multiply using the rule of multiplication of fractions in multiplication. So A times D, it becomes AD. So A times D, it becomes AD, and then B times C, it becomes BC. This is the final answer. Done. Thank you.